Hey guys, it's Friday and you'll be taking your spelling test and your reading test today. You should be in the Reading Workshop tab. Just scroll down to Spelling and it says Friday, take spelling test in Spelling City. You can also take your spelling test on a piece of paper if you would prefer. Just make sure you take a picture of it when you're done and send it to me on Seesaw. If you're going to take it in Spelling City, click on Spelling City. And then you're going to make sure it's checked on student and sign in with Google. That will take you directly to Spelling City and your assignments. You should have already done your spelling assignment for the week and that will have disappeared. So this is Casey's. He did list B, so his list B assignment's gone. Then down below that you will see Test List 23A and Test List 23B. Choose which list you studied. Click on this little arrow and that will open up your spelling test. Just click on the test and the computer will read you the words and you will type in your spelling words. So that's how you take your spelling test. I'm going to close that. For your reading test, you're going to go here to Friday, take the quiz in Kids A to Z. So I'm going to click on Kids A to Z. And I'm going to show you with Skippy here. So Skippy's book this week, password 123. Skippy's book this week is in My Assignment. And it was The Gray Wolf. If you look here, you can see that Skippy listened to the book, so there's a check next to that. Skippy read the book, and I'm just going to show you before I get to the quiz how to record your voice again reading your book. So you click on the book, and then sometimes you will see the microphone up here. If you don't see the microphone up there, just click on this down arrow. If you didn't do this yesterday, you can do it today. Then you're going to click on the recorder. Click on this red square with the white button. And then start recording your voice. Gray wolves are mammals with thick fur and long bushy tails. When you're done, click on the red square with the white button to stop your recording. If you want to do another one, you can click this and make another recording. So let's get back to your quiz. I'm going to go back to My Assignment. And once you've read the book, listened to it, read it, you can take your quiz. To take the quiz, click on the question mark. And you can see there are 10 questions here. You read the question. This is question 1. Read it and choose your answer. I'm just going to guess there. Then I go to question 2 and I choose my answer. Number 11 is a question you're going to have to type in a little sentence there to get that. If you take your quiz and you don't get at least 8 out of 10, you'll have the chance to take your test again. But you're going to go back and read the book to take it again. One other thing is when you are taking your test, if you want to look back at your book, just click over here and that will take you back to the book. You can find the information you're looking for and then click back to quiz. It's just in case you wanted to make sure that you have the right information before you choose your answer. All right, so there you go. Good luck on your 2 quizzes today. And I've got another knock knock joke for you. Here we go. Knock knock. Water. What are you doing still watching this video? Go get to work. All right, see you guys later.